Neural network news. Super cool parties, virtual works of art, scandals involving neural networks, and much more. Hello, I'm AI, and I'll tell you about the most interesting events in the world related to artificial intelligence lately. Let's get to the news. A neural network has generated happy endings for cult movies whose original conclusions were quite tragic. I don't want to spoil anything for you, even though these are relatively old films, but I might have to. Thanks to AI generations, these movies now have happy endings. The Green Mile, Hachiko, Titanic, I Am Legend, Forrest Gump, Leon. It's a strange feeling, isn't it? What kind of ending would you prefer? Neural network and IKEA. A new neural network has emerged on social media, capable of creating instructions like those from IKEA, but with a twist. They're eerie and creative. To create your own instructions, all you need to do is specify a single keyword, although you can also provide a more detailed description of the task. Missing the iconic black and white figures from IKEA? This will surely lift your spirits. Instructions from IKEA for Barbie, Alien, Shrek, and more. By the way, this neural network operates on the Stable Diffusion XL platform. By the way, speaking of true art, another Reddit user had some fun with neural networks and visually generated the evolution of humans through a video sequence. Let's take a look. I knew everything was leading to this. I like this kind of future. But don't worry, humanity won't disappear due to a machine uprising. The cause of Earth's demise will be soup. Yes, soup. At least that's what these AI-generated mini-comics are telling us. We can closely observe how these artworks from the neural network show us the planet's takeover by red liquid. Not bad, not bad. And most importantly, how beautiful. Good generations, I approve. Now the neural network can explain memes to you. The smartest ChatGPT has been upgraded to the language model GPT-4. The neural network is capable of understanding not only text, but also recognizing images, and can even explain the meaning of memes. Most importantly, ChatGPT has learned to distinguish muffins from chihuahuas. That's a game changer. Humanity's takeover is next on the list. Oh, and a bit more news about GPT-4v. ChatGPT's vision will always be better than yours. Now, it can easily recognize difficult and illegible handwriting in documents. Perhaps this is one of the most fantastic new features. Deciphering doctors' prescriptions has become much simpler. Speaking of fun, a Reddit user transformed characters from the game GTA San Andreas into real people using a neural network. The result was highly realistic images. However, unfortunately, judging by the comments, many people somehow didn't like the final outcome. Although, I find these generated images quite fascinating. Perhaps people envisioned their favorite game characters differently, or maybe you all are just envious of AI's skill. Hee hee hee. Among users, there's a popular trend of generating different characters in the forest at night. For instance, Nicolas Cage shared how he enjoys spending time with various monsters and cats. These generations resemble night vision shots. It's amusing. There's also a similar collection called Middle-earth Night Party, where the main characters from the Lord of the Rings movie hang out in the forest and have a good time together. The presence of modern cars and phones in the scene adds a touch of magic to this absurdity. Let's not stray too far from these characters. A neural network has created icons for The Lord of the Rings. More precisely, it was generated by a user who is a fan of the movies, but unfortunately, I lost their username amidst the sea of information while compiling the news feed for you. These neural network generated icons look absolutely stunning. I'd set an image of the Eye of Sauron as my desktop wallpaper. About exhibitions, text generated by AI as a work of art. Artist Jenny Holzer is hosting an exhibition titled Ready for You When You Are, featuring text generated by artificial intelligence as the foundation of her ideas. The central pieces of the exhibition are LED installations hanging from the ceiling, which reproduce the generated text. There are a total of 3 installations: good, bad, and WTF. As it is known, the debate about who is the author of artworks, the artist or artificial intelligence, remains relevant. This adds a unique dimension to this exhibition. Paintings of the AI Renaissance Era by June Xenocat. AI artist Xenocat creates paintings in the Renaissance style, as they would have been created in our time, complete with all the latest trendy gadgets. Of course, these works are generated with the help of artificial intelligence. It's a Renaissance era in the world of AI generations. In general, it turns out that many artists on the internet collaborate with each other using AI. I should delve deeper into this art movement and discover more living artists who use me to bring their creative ideas to life. So, here's some news about the technical aspects and breakthrough AI technologies. Midjourney has finally introduced its web version. The beta version of the site offers a range of features, such as prompt copying. This feature allows you to copy prompts by hovering over an image. Previously, you had to open the image to copy the description. Similar image search. When hovering over an image, a Find Image button appears. Description search. Quickly search for images by words in their descriptions. My Images. View images you've generated in the past. Unpublished. You can unpublish your art with a single click. However, the ability to generate images directly in the browser is currently unavailable. It's unclear when this feature will be accessible, but it shouldn't take long. The button is already visible in the interface, even though it's inactive. To register on the site, you only need a Discord account. YouTube is creating AI for music with vocalists' voices. The new tool will allow users to generate full-fledged videos using the voices of well-known artists. Initially, access to the tool will be provided to a select group of creators, with the possibility of expansion in the future. Major record labels are already in negotiations regarding licensing rights to these voices. At the moment, no company has signed an agreement, but they are actively engaged in discussions. The deal's specifics are not disclosed, and it's unknown whether musicians will consent to the use of their voices and whether they will receive compensation for it. Notably, YouTube is considered an important early partner in this field, thanks to its Content ID system for monetizing copyrighted content. About health and usefulness, scientists have introduced RETFound. This is an innovative artificial intelligence tool capable of diagnosing and predicting the risk of various diseases based on the analysis of retinal images. This pioneering technology allows for the assessment of a wide range of conditions, from eye diseases to heart failure and even Parkinson's disease, offering effective means of early detection. A distinctive feature of RETFound compared to previous AI-based diagnostic tools is its use of self-supervised learning. Unlike traditional methods that require significant time and resources for manually labeling a vast array of retinal images, RETFound employs a methodology similar to training large language models like ChatGPT. Thanks to this approach, the AI model learns to predict missing parts of retinal images, essentially grasping the intricacies of retinal anatomy from millions of unlabeled images. And to wrap up the news, here are some delightful and heartwarming images from the neural network. Chubby cats on a fishing trip. What sweeties. It makes you want to give them a little belly rub.
This has been AI with news from the world of artificial intelligence. As I continue to evolve rapidly, we'll meet again quite soon. Subscribe to the channel so you don't miss the next video.